What is up, everybody? My name is Stacy, and I want to take the time out to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. So here on my channel, I like to focus on makeup tutorials and occasion, fashion hauls and whatnot, and really all things beauty. So if you find value in that content, be sure to smash the like button for this video, of course. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and definitely follow me on Instagram. It's going to be listed down in the description box. All right, guys, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this tutorial. So let's go ahead and get into this look. I've already started off camera with this eye. Let me go ahead and remove my glasses so you can see that. As I said, I've already started with one eye off camera. Let's go ahead and get into the other eye. So of course we are using the Profusion Kaleidoscope Palette right here. Hope you can see that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and prime our eye because I forgot I didn't do that yet. So to prime our eyes, I'm going to use a concealer as I usually do. And today's concealer of choice is going to be the Born This Way by Too Faced. This is going to be in the shade Mocha. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply just a little bit on our eye. Nothing drastic. All right, so now that we have that one all blended in, I'm gonna go in next with some Laura Mercier powder just to go ahead and set that down just a little bit. We don't want it to move any of our color around. All right, now that that is set, we can go ahead and add our tape. So I'm not very good at doing sharp lines, or I don't know what you call those. So to assist, I'm gonna add a little bit of tape. All right, let's go in with our first color from the palette, which is going to be this pretty red right here called Heatwave. Go in with that one, and we're gonna put that one all over the lid and in the crease. All right, so now that we have the heat wave color built up to the way that we wanted, I hope you can see that. We're gonna go in with our next color, which is going to be a purple. It's gonna be this Hypnotize, this color right here. I'm gonna add that to the outer third of our eye just to deepen it just a bit. Alrighty, and that is laid down. There we have it. And because I need something just a tad bit deeper that'll stand out just a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my Baked Browns by Dose of Colors, and I'm gonna use a little bit of this brown right here at the end called Rock Bottom, and I'm gonna add that to the outer thirds as well. Alrighty, so that brown's very pigmented. So let's go ahead and blend it in with a little bit more of that purple. All right, so now that we are done with the eyes for now, let's go ahead and remove the tape. Alrighty, and we're gonna go ahead and go in and start with our face. All right, for foundation today, we're gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This one is in this shade. What shade is this? 488. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and we're gonna go ahead and go in with a sponge. All right, so now that we have that laid down, let's go in with a little bit of color correcting today. We're gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in, what is this, deep orange. And I'm gonna go ahead and get around my the dark circles of my eyes. All right, now that we have the color corrector laid down, let's go in with our concealer, which we're gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way in Mocha. All right, and there we have it. Our concealer is laid down. Let's go ahead and set it with the Laura Mercier powder that we used before. Alrighty, now that we are all set, let's go ahead and move into the face. Well, we're already into the face, but we're gonna go ahead and do some bronzing. So we're gonna be using my tried and true contour palette by Black Radiance, of course using the middle sculpt shade to bronze. All right, now that we have our bronzer laid down, let's go ahead and get into our blush, which is going to be the Maxi Blush by Rimmel right here. And this is going to be in the shade Third Base. And this is the color right here. You guys can see that. All right, so now that the blush is down, we're gonna go ahead and get into our highlighter, which today is gonna be oldie, but definitely a goodie. It's gonna be the Wet n Wild Highlighting Mega Glow Powder in the shade Precious Petals. This is one of my favorite highlighters. I love this one. All right, so the highlighter is all done. We didn't go in with a little bit of setting spray, my Morphe setting mist, to blend all those face powders in really quickly. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and go back up to the eyes. I want to go ahead and complete the under eye. We're just gonna take a mixture of those powders that we had before. Sorry, those shadows. So we're just gonna mix a little bit of the, was it the Heatwave and the Hypnotize together? That'll be these two colors here, this one and this one there. And we're gonna go ahead and take it under the eye. Alrighty, so now that we've completed underneath the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and step off camera and add my liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, and we're back. We got the lashes are on, the hair is on, and we are moving on to the lips. All right, so today we're just gonna do a cute little combo per the usual. Today we're gonna start with the Exaggerate Rimmel London liner in the shade Obsession 064. It's gonna be right here. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips very quickly as soon as I find my mirror. All right, that is all done. Go ahead and add our lipstick, which is of course gonna be this ColourPop lipstick in the shade Appy right here. All right, let's go ahead and add a gloss. We're gonna do Praline by NYX, the NYX Butter Gloss. You can see that. All right, guys, and this is the final look. Tell me what you think. All right, guys, and that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much again for joining me today, for clicking on this video. I really, really appreciate it. Again, if you love videos like this, then be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram, which will be listed down below in the description box. And until next time, guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.